See these three people? They were going to kill. See this guy? He was a wealthy businessman. This was Steve. What's his name? Well, the guy who was Apple. Yeah, that guy. Yeah. Steve Business? Steve. Yeah. Wait, no. Jobs. Oh yeah. Right. And then this guy was some random person. They were all linked. When they got shot, they were all shot in the same place, right here in the back of the head. One hit kill. Yeah. And so the sheriff said we have to go find him and take him down. Isn't it awesome? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. So you see, this is where the first guy was killed. This is where the second person was killed. And this is where the third person was killed. Gorilla fight! Hey guys! I found your obsession on Google Earth. You know there's right there. Isn't that our building right there? That means he's right outside. Oh, cool. Let's go. Yeah. You guys, there he went. Let's go get him. God, I threw everything on my arm around here. Now, where he goes. Whoa. That was cool. We better get out of here. Yeah. Chin. There he is, quickly. I got him. No, I got him.
Hasta la vista, bebé. Now where's that other kid?